Introducing the new DeWalt JobSite Table Saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DeWalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DeWalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DeWalt durability. The DeWalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
Meet the two newest members of Black & Decker's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, Black & Decker's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing Black & Decker 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
This is the Bosch RS428 reciprocating saw. Whether you're working on demolition or you're a plumber, electrician, or remodeler, you can power through anything with this recip. 14 amps of power lets you tackle those hard and dense materials with ease. Weighing just 8 pounds, the power to weight ratio is unrivaled. But this power won't affect you on the job with a built-in vibration control system. The innovative counterbalance technology and anti-vibration handle helps to reduce the impact on your body. The blade moves with a constant orbit in order to optimize speed and performance, and a variable speed trigger gives you improved cutting control. Constant response electronics keeps the tool running at a consistent speed while under load. A toolless blade change system makes installation and removal effortless. An adjustable open foot increases the visibility of your cut line. The handle was designed to be ergonomic with maximum comfort and gripping during cutting. The compact design allows added maneuverability on the job site. So, this is the Bosch RS428 reciprocating saw. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch Recip saws.
Introducing DeWalt's heavy-duty drill holster and impact driver holster. Built with polyester material, they're compact and made to last. Slide it on any tool belt and go. The heavy-duty holster is angled for balance and has a variety of outer pockets for complete organization. Use the quick-release buckle featured on both holsters to secure your drill. Small and durable, the Impact Driver holster is designed for most drivers and features 4 small pockets to keep your bits close and organized. So whatever you're working on, use what works. The DeWalt Heavy Duty and Impact Driver holsters. Guaranteed tough.
With over 50,000 injuries per year, the table saw is among the most dangerous tools in the workshop. Microjig introduces the Gripper 3D Push Block, protecting your hands and preventing kickback like never before. The Gripper gives you 3 essential forces for precision, control, and safety when working on a table saw. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly down on the table, virtually eliminating kickback. Inward pressure keeps your workpiece tight against the fence to avoid burning. Forward pressure to advance your workpiece while keeping your hands safe and clear of the blade. Its powerful proprietary green grip gives you incredible traction and control of your workpiece, with the ease and accuracy that traditional push sticks and push pads just can't achieve. The gripper is so much more than meets the eye. There are over 30 unique applications for the gripper throughout your entire shop. Its applications are boundless, offering more options and unparalleled safety. The center leg adjusts to create a tunnel, allowing the gripper to pass directly over the blade, giving you consistent motion and stability for the entire length of the cut and shielding your hand from the blade. The balance support stabilizes your workpiece by maintaining even downward pressure, which is crucial when making very narrow cuts. Arguably one of the most dangerous cuts to make, the gripper makes it safe and easy. The gripper is incredibly easy to use. Simply put it on your workpiece, slide it up against the fence, and while maintaining contact, push it along the fence to make your cut. Its versatility, simplicity, and unique safety features make the gripper the best push block in the world. Visit microjig.com now to find a local dealer near you or buy online today. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
DeWalt's T-Stack organizers are comprised of 4 modular storage units. With each unit sold separately, they offer a customized solution for convenience and transportability. Regardless of the trade you work in, this system allows you to build a personalized storage unit around your job's needs. Ball bearing slides help each unit to open and close easily. Furthermore, they have bi-material handles for comfortable lifting. The units are made of a durable polypropylene to withstand the regular job site rigors that toolboxes endure. For storing small parts and accessories, this unit has 2 drawers with dividers in each one. This is beneficial for organization and accessibility. The second unit contains 4 small and 2 large removable cups with lids inside of a pull-out drawer. This allows electricians and other tradesmen to easily store hand tools and organize small parts. These 2 units are ideal for carpenters and tradesmen carrying their power tools. Both contain large storage spaces and can fit a customizable foam or plastic insert to help protect your tools while transporting the unit. The large-handled unit helps for ease of carrying and contains an organizer for small parts. This new line of storage products are ideal for professionals such as technicians, electricians, HVAC installers, contractors, finish carpenters, and a host of other tradesmen. Rely on a trusted name that's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Rely on DeWalt.